Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a notebook cover or a diary cover using washi tips. It's very simple and easy DIY, and it's even beautiful too. So for that you'll need a diary or a notebook, or just take a book which you want to cover, and take a black chart. I have taken black chart. You can take any color chart you want and just cover it. Just bind it as usual. This is how I bind all the books, so I'm binding the same way. You can bind however you wish, or in the way which you bind. This is how I usually bind the books. Only difference which I had made than usual was using this tissue tape. Usually I'll use that cello tape. This time I use tissue tape. It's double-sided tape. So I'm done with binding. So now take washi tips, whichever you want. I have taken same design but two different colors, blue and green. Now I'm sticking the washi tips in diagonal way. Go on sticking. I have left some gap in between so that black bind could be seen. If you don't want that gap, you can just stick next to each other without leaving any gap. Extras you can either cut or stick it behind. I have stuck it behind. Now the middle part, if you are using notebook, uh, you uh, you need not do this part. As I'm using diary, I had to do this so that I have to cover the middle portion. Now it's done. This is the next design. It's kind of triangle, you can see. You can you can stick the washi tapes in any patterns you wish. I just have showed 3 patterns. You can stick horizontally, vertically, any patterns. This time I took a purple and golden color washi tapes. I really loved the outcome of this. Once you finish sticking, it would look like this. Extras you just fold it behind and stick, otherwise you can just cut off. So behind I had used some other color. Now next I'll show you how to make this without any bind or something. For this I had taken 4 washi tapes, 4 different washi tapes. Here I am not leaving any gap in between. If you are doing like this, you need not bind your book. I'm sticking the tapes horizontally. You can stick vertically, or you can stick in any pattern you wish. It's all up to you how you want your book to be. Once you finish, it would look like this. This was the front part. Do the same for back part even. In this I just had cut the excess tapes. So behind you'll have to do the same. I really love this book so much. If you try, do share the photos with me on Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.